What's up, YouTube? It's Scotty with Evel KeStriegel. I'm out here with some crazy looking hair. Just got done watching the pro motocross race, and I'm actually out here working on the Kayo KT250. I broke the kill switch last time I rode it, which has been a while. I know, been riding mountain bikes. But I'm actually going to put the new kill switch on it. Got it right here. That's the part number. Stop switch. There it is. I got to figure out where this thing plugs in on this bike, and so I'm going to swap that out, and I'm going to actually finally finish putting the handguards on. So let me show you that. So these are what I'm trying to put on it. I've had these flags on it before, obviously. They've gotten snapped off, but these are just the Enduro Engineering. Let it focus there. There we go. Wraparound handguards tend to be fairly easy to get on, but this billet mount is just so beefy. Trying to get it in between that little tiny space on those twin walls is tough. So we're gonna try and make that work. Gonna do my best, so I'm gonna get after it. Hey, ladybird. Hey, girl. How you doing? All right, handguards are finally installed. It was a bit of a nightmare, and they are jankily put in there, but they are tight. Ladybird over here may have heard me throw a few curses, right, girl? Say hello. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna take it to KXCR again tomorrow and see how she feels with the new bars on it. I definitely like the Geo a little better already, just riding it around, so excited to get them out there.